Wondering how to make money $100 per day? Well, making $100 in per day is not that difficult. In fact, there are many ways you can make $100 in a day. You can either do it offline or you can do it online. In this article, we will focus on how to make $100 in one day online. One of the best way to do so is through affiliate marketing. First, let us define the term affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means selling other people's product for a commission. It is extremely easy to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing. For example, let's say you are selling a $50 video course that teach people how to train their dog in 7 days. The commission is 50%. This means you will make $25 per sale. All you need is 4 sales per day to make $100 per day. Can you see how easy it is to make $100 in one day? Alternatively, the second way is to be a freelancer. Let's say you are a freelance writer. Your rate is $10 per article. All you need is to write 10 articles and you will be making $100 in a day. If you are a more reputable writer, you can even charge $20 per article and there will be people who are willing to pay you for it. As you can see, it is really not that difficult to make $100 per day. It is only up to your imagination how you want to do it. To learn affiliate marketing, check below in description. We provides you the best step-by-step guide to become a super affiliate. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.